What is it?
I don't know, but it's really beautiful.
It is. It says book by me. I think it's a coloring book or a sticker book.
Oh, it has dinosaurs.
Ooh. Oh, it's for tracing.
I can't open my
What is it, Cece?
I can't open
What is it?
Wowza.
What is it?
Oh, it's leaving in her stocking.
She's been carrying it around all morning. It's some...
It's some new sparkly black tights.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, boy, a Minder
A Mater book. Yeah.
Oh, I have a present at the bottom of my stocking.
You do? What is it? It's chapstick. It's special monster chapstick.
Oh, it's for me. It's for me.
Oh, you need to wait. Open your other presents.
Oh, there's something right here.
Woo! You have a... Do you know what that is? Look at that. It's a slide whistle. Gold. Is that gold, Johnny?
I think so. Oh, it's a new
It's candy.
chapstick for me. No.
No, it's for Johnny. You look in your sock.
Dad, I have more things under my TCC. Is this gold, Mom?
Oh, very nice.
What is it, Cici?
Wow.
Johnny, why don't you ask Mama to... Oh my goodness, what is it, Cici?
Here, let me put a J on it.
Is it makeup?
I think so.
Oh, it's a notebook.
Oh, and it has a mirror in it, too.
And a pen. It looks like lipstick. Ooh.
Can it whistle right
Pull the slide out. It's a slide whistle. Now blow it. Yeah, you can push the slide in and out and it makes different sounds.
Like this.
That one might need to be cleaned up a little.
I don't want to get splinters on.
What is it, Cece?
Oh, it has a Merry Christmas
Ah,
Is it chappy? You need help opening it?